Have you ever felt like your mind just won't stop? Like there's a constant storm of thoughts racing, looping, never ending? The past, the future, the what-ifs, the regrets. No matter how much you try to relax, your mind keeps pulling you back in. You just want a moment of silence, a moment of peace. But what if I told you that peace you're looking for? It's already inside you. You don't have to find it. You just have to uncover it. Let me show you how. First, let's understand something. Your mind is not the enemy. It's just doing what it's designed to do: think, analyze, protect you. But over time, it has learned to be on overdrive. Maybe you've been through things that made you anxious, cautious, or afraid. Maybe you've spent years overthinking every decision, fearing the worst, trying to control everything. So your mind? It learned to never rest. It's like a radio that's always on, but no one ever taught you how to turn it down. Until now. So, how do you silence your mind and finally find peace? It's not about stopping your thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. Here's how. Step 1. Observe. Don't engage. When a thought enters your mind, don't fight it. Just notice it. Imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky. You don't have to chase them. You don't have to hold on to them. Just let them pass. Step 2. Return to the present. Most of your stress comes from living in the past or the future. But the only place peace exists is right now. So take a deep breath. Feel the air in your lungs. Notice your surroundings. This moment is safe. Step 3. Stop identifying with every thought. Not every thought is true. Not every thought deserves your attention. So when your mind tells you you're not good enough or everything is going wrong, ask yourself, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Because you are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. Peace was never something you had to find. It was always there, buried under all the noise. And now, you know how to uncover it. So next time your mind feels like a storm, remember this. You don't have to stop the storm. You just have to step back and watch the rain. What's one thought that always seems to control your mind? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if this message resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep, life-changing insights. You deserve peace, and it's closer than you think.